Number 12. What is the value of the expression shown below when x is equal to 5e? So we have the limit as h approaches 0 of ln x plus h minus ln x over h. Now, we need to be familiar with this formula, just as we talked about in the previous problem. The limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h, that's equal to f prime of x. So we could see that f of x is ln x. And what we want to do is we want to find the value of this expression, particularly when x is 5e. So if this is f prime of x when f of x is ln x, what we're really looking for is f prime of 5e. That's what we want to evaluate. So we know that f of x is ln x. What's f prime of x? Now you could commit this to memory. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. But here's a general formula when you're differentiating natural log functions. The derivative of ln u is equal to u prime over u. So the derivative of ln x, in this case, x is u. The derivative of x is 1, so you get 1 over x. But I would particularly commit this formula to memory. Now, if f prime of x is 1 over x, we need to find f prime of 5e. So that's going to be 1 over 5e. And that is the answer for number 12, which corresponds to answer choice D.